In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to schedule appointments, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable form that collects the information you need to book time with clients or teammates. Start by opening Google Drive. From there, click New, choose Google Forms, and open a blank form. This gives you a fresh canvas to build your appointment request form. At the top, give your form a clear title like Appointment Schedule. You can also add a short description explaining how scheduling works, such as expected response time or your availability window, so people know what to expect. Next, add your essential questions. Begin with name, email, and phone so you have reliable contact details. Use the short answer question type for each and turn on required so no one can skip them. For the email question, choose response validation and set it to collect a valid email format to cut down on typos. For the phone field, you can add a brief hint about the preferred format to keep responses consistent. Now capture availability. Add a question for preferred days. Checkboxes work well if you're open to multiple options, while multiple choice is best if you want just one choice. You can list Monday through Friday or whatever fits your schedule and include an other option if needed. Then add a question for preferred time. If you want respondents to type their ideal time, use the time question type. If you prefer tighter control, use a drop-down with specific time slots like 9 o'clock a.m., 9:30 a.m., and so on. Consider adding a short instruction about your time zone to avoid confusion. If there's anything else you need, such as the purpose of the appointment or whether it's in person or virtual, add it now as a short answer, multiple choice, or paragraph question. Keep your form focused and brief to encourage more responses. Click the preview icon to test your form. Pretend you're the respondent and make sure everything reads clearly. All required fields work and the layout is easy to follow. If something feels confusing, tweak the wording now. When you're satisfied, it's time to share. Click send to publish your form. You can copy the link and share it via email, chat, or your website. If you'd like, you can shorten the URL for easier sharing. That's it. Your appointment scheduling form is live. As responses come in, you'll see them in the Responses tab, where you can review submissions and follow up to confirm the final time.